If you own a Polaris Pro R, then you want to take care of your investment. That's why we're in the shop today. We need to do our first oil change, and that's going to be at 25 hours of use or your first month. And then you're going to be 50 hours, 1,000 miles, or every 12 months thereafter. Now, this is something that is simple to do and can help prolong the life of your engine. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. To do this job, we have a 6mm Allen T40 Torx bit. We also have our oil filter wrench. This one is from K&L. And then we're also using a drain pan and funnel. We have safety glasses, rubber gloves, and some rags. And you always want to refer to your model-specific service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. For parts, you're going to need an oil filter, crush washer, and 5.5 quarts of oil, or 5.2 liters. And it's going to be 050 or 550. Now we went with the Tusk oil change kit because it comes with all of this stuff in one convenient package, and you can get this stuff on our website. If you need any of these parts, click the link in the description below. To start out, I'm going to run the machine in a well-ventilated area for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using a 6mm Allen to remove the drain plug. After that, you want to use an oil filter wrench to loosen up the oil filter, and we're going to let that oil drain out. At this point, we can go ahead and clean the sealing surfaces for the oil filter and the drain plug. I'm going to wipe the drain plug off and then install a new crush washer onto it. And then I'm going to torque this to 13 foot-pounds. Now with the oil filter, you want to make sure you have a little bit of oil on that O-ring, and then we're going to screw this into place, and as soon as this O-ring or gasket lightly touches the sealing surface, we're going to go an additional 3/4 of a turn. From here, we need to remove our cargo bed. So we have 4 Torx screws holding this in place, and we're using a T40 Torx bit to remove them. And the bed, it's just going to pull up, and you can pull it back and remove it. Next, we have our oil filler cap. We need to remove this, and you want to clean around this sealing area. That way you don't knock any dirt into your engine. We're also going to clean the cap off. After that, we're going to use our funnel, and we're going to add 5.5 quarts of 0W50 oil. Now we're going to reinstall our cap, and we're going to run our machine for at least 2 minutes. And then we're going to let it sit for an additional 3 minutes. After that, you can check the oil level on your dipstick. You want to make sure it's in the middle or upper end of that grid. Now I'm going to set the cargo bed back into place and install the hardware. That's all it takes to change the oil on your Polaris RZR Pro R. If you need the oil change kit, it's available on our website, so click the link in the description below. And if you have any comments or questions, again, leave those down in the comments below. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.